Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Kilik Mate MSC Long Kitimung Amen Kachathap Men Kachathap Aloke Jok MSC Timung Anchon Gurial Dubia Long Idona Hem Ingnar Kipri Nokterang Along KSA Sub Branch Arpu Kachelar News time along Penili, Willerburn Krupi, non-biotang tonpen, Architha. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Kilikapan, Jakoni Paing Kora Pli Arni, customary law, as a hemtun along, Kido Legislative Asai Kama Deputy Secretary Arideng, Menjat Habdamlo. Borjan Constituency Pen Pong Tom Kahai Pardon Ron, MSC Kilik Kahai Long Kitimung Inkoraner Kep Agdeng Chairman Kilikapan Amenjat Habdamlo. Men Kachathap Alo, Kijok MSC Timung Inut Anvet Pusi, Legislative Asai Campaign Pachini. Timung Amen Kachathap Alo Kijok Damahut, Team Karbi Anglong, Asong Japo Mate CEM Tuliram Rong Hang Lapen, EM MSC Atum, Chirap Chito Dunrinti. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along Thirtiba Chairman, Dolote, Karbi Anglong Kaching Tour Amu, Kipachun Jonke, Joywan Pupusi, Perang Kiatum Karjahun, CEM Rong Hang Lam Kaning Janing, Chipathedam. Ladak Chathan Me, Jakoni Pai Inkora Po Ari Chairman Kilik Dosita, Aron Kipachok Anvetlo. East Division Bokajan Forest Range ki Parlo Angkang Gurial Dubi along Idon Bipin Soikia Hem Jakoni Pa Inkora Kethom Arni Theang Prinprelia Porhut Ingnama Ingnar Johnny Damsi Hem Lapen Sok Puru Pripidam Thaisi Sok Chupidam Lap Lasso Alam Aputhak Soikia Pen Forest Range Sahem along Damsi Ketok Jirpen Lo Thon Damlo Lasso Hut Ingnam Rai Koma Tempen Kaning Jedun Ki Ketok Pen Lo na Kethon Ki Mesen Lo Seta Government Pen Pinya Kirap Long Ji Pukening Kat Keple Chong Hong Seta Alia Velo Pusi Inut Forest Asai Puning Jedun Halapu Rat Atum Pen Forest Asai Patumapan Ingnam Ingnar Kiplung Japan Avarsai Ave Map Karja Hut Kachathak Don Ke Nitumalong Ingnam Ingnar Kiplung Japan Thangta Avarsai Ave Hele Duji Sita License Avia Hele Amuta Ave Lapen Thangnat Government Pen Avarsai Nang Pipe Bang Nang Hang Sita Sai Jogje Ibang Chiklang Dam Chot Penan Park Kaya Jot Tavilo Pusi Ningje Ladak Ingnam Rai Komatum Kaya Chiklu Abay Nong Chudeng Chot Pen Akapre Kajata Saita Avilo Chochot Do Choran Parke Acara Sonta Ki Klemason Avilo Laso Jong Non Rat Atum Hidi Rit Sai Kachuti Ki Bomahut Ki Chujep Han Hemalong Sok Kachubi Anta Chupidam Thai Jong Rantum Kasiksak Tektik Lo Hamren Constituency Arlo Nokterang along Karbilo Charlia so Ansusike Pangtang Pontu Japan Jakoni Pa Inkora Pli Ani Ada Porpai Keba Porpen Puratimong LP School along Mai Ingni Ponsi Kebang Jilang Ani Kacheja Pon Japan Arpukimi Kangwai Amai Kipadopona Biota Card News Channel Perangke Hundor Kropen Biota Napali Vaisong Rong Hang Abari Mai Pu Nokterang KSA Sub Branch Penajok Mai Japan Pu Ponsi Mai along Hamren KSA Head Branch Mai Pu Prasanto Inti Chunbang Balison Bepen Danglok Nokterang Habar Cherok Tawral Tum Chetong Dun Mai Ki Phalam Theba Busing Rong Hang Abarim Chunbang KSA Nokterang Head Branch Pen Than Bajermi Ponsi Kachetong Aluhi Atuma Phan Than Pachini Pon KSA Hamren Head Branch Tum Pen KSA Arunan Chutang Than Bajermi Ponsi Arpu Kedeng Mia Song Jatu Ki Claim Kidam Nang Shalam Than Ahok Pet Khaya Parman Sai Ki Claim Ji Pulute Methang Hem Hong Chu Pensi Cheng Nang Ji Lapen Head Branch Regional Committee Central Committee Atum Biota Nang NDPin Setame Ki Un Anasai Ki Claim Pon Nang Popusi Prasantu Inti Mai Pu KSA Hamren Head Branch Pen Mayalong Lap Thi Ke Jaihut Ning Pon Penangan Chingi Chingwai Pondera PR Pukimi Kachalar Ponlo President Minda Ronghang Vice President Jodson Bay Secretary Birson Ronghang Assistant Secretary Sami Manai Rong Pipi Finance Secretary Mongol Singh Ingti Organizing Secretary Bijoy Ronghang Cultural Secretary Leon Bay Games and Sports Secretary Bikram Ronghang Publicity Secretary Lokhon Ronghang Lapen Magazine Secretary Daniel Biatum Henlo Non malam sopor pan biar tamu untuk meriksina.
As per orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, the complete draft NRC will be published within 30th of July. At this moment, I wish to inform the public that the draft NRC list that we will be publishing is not the final NRC. It is a draft NRC. That means that applicants who do not find their names in draft NRC will still get a chance to file claims, meaning thereby getting another chance to apply for NRC. During the process of claims, the applicants will get full opportunity to adduce all evidence to prove that they are genuine Indian citizens. As such, applicants not finding their names in draft NRC have no reason to worry. Final NRC, which will be published only after disposal of these claims and objections, will not miss out any genuine Indian citizens. Further, public will also get opportunity to make corrections of errors and spellings, if any, occurring in the draft NRC. Provisions will also be there to file objections against any ineligible entries. I would like to inform the public that filing of claims, objections or corrections is the legal right. Forms for filing claims, objections or corrections will be submitted at the designated NRC Seva Kendras. After some time, we will launch a separate publicity campaign on the manner of submission of forms, their availability and time schedule, etc. NRC officials will also organize meetings and training sessions at various public places to enable the public to participate in the process of claims, objections and corrections.
It is hereby informed to all the repeater candidates of HSLC examination securing 50% marks in repeaters examination can take admission in Arts and Science stream at Kanak Klata Junior College, and those students who secured 45% marks in the same examination can get admission only in Arts stream. Hostel facility is also available for both boys and girls students. Regular candidates can also apply for both Arts and Science stream. For more details, please tap in Kanak Klata Junior College, MG Road, Ward number 5, near Sankardev Vidya Niketan, Lanka. Contact number 8638735290 or 8011979888. Autonomy outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining, like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Autonomy outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihena mo people thadbir talong wangthulo. Nomati constituency ki parluang kang samilangso development block pen dongklai teron arong arada farman farm pon kasalam pi ponjia phan sai deng ponlo labang so sai MGN rega scheme pen suri hinokhe troxil pen khwenar kep aning kana bha pen tangka sika lakhini an panong pi ponlo stami ki claim patang te prang pen tangka ki en lapotha All India Karbi Students Union amaipu lapen rap kong chunbang atum pen kat news along birta nang pali. Samilangso Development Block asai phula pen chukomara tumpen cycle ang ki paoi poya jong All India Karbi Students Union Central Union tumpen jakhauni phai cap ari kelang chari dam pusibirta longtun alang litumpen kelang chari dam hut hat cap vacancy site camp chotlang bonjatami financial report atengke labang so assignment pen tangka and lablo lapen labang so tangka kedam tang suri hinrakre trok sianing kan mati jong chiklopen ke en pang chengsi jakhong chiklu an ki arondre pen tangka chupang lim lablo puta alang litumpen pachini pontu Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman Ritesh Inghi Pensilabang Soft Farm Pond Piningkan Arkoy Chikloni Pai Kripli Anisi Long A Soft Pond Lo Samilangso Development Block Pen Kideng Pond Dongklai teron arong along farm pon atang karon drepen chupang limited abang phubang phiatuma phan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Chairman CEM lapen District Administration atum prapchin pen ritarlip nang chila pen ki kichok che abang phubang phiatum phan Law and Order deng pc hemkang sang peng nang jiputa ki jongpon pado Jongsi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen District Administration atum thanglat saita dengpon pelipute All India Karbi Students Union ahin pen ing tangra kachesong pado jiputa ningje lasi prapchin pen labang soputha Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen District Administration ahin pen high inquiry pado nang jiputa alang litum pen pachudi pontu ASDC la pen KNC tum jakhoni phai inkora ke thom arni autonomous state abuthak tripartite tok do nang jipu alam pen pinpura do ipak India Prime Minister aphan panong si Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner adeng pinpura lo ki pajirdam
autonomous state abuthak kaching waji aphan ASDC la pen KNC song tum ASDC asahem along kaching room apitu ASDC asahem pen armu chijeng ponsi Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner asahem along an paledam autonomous state abuthak ASDC asong aphan Prapchin pen tripartite talk nahang nang jipu alam pen pinpur alo epak India Prime Minister aphan panongsi Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Mildu Kumar Mahanta arideng kepajirdam pinpur alo kepajirdam aputhak Minister Barim Huliram terang pet pherang ke angno nang pachini dun
itu ignore kora jan লাগিছে আমি দাবি জনাইছো যে অটোনমাস স্টেট হক সেপারেট স্টেট হক কিন্তু যে হিল স্টেট আমি কৈছো এই হিল স্টেটৰ প্ৰশ্নটো লৈ পেলাই ভাৰত চৰকাৰে অনতি পলমেই ASDC KSA KNC বা আমাৰ এই আন্দোলনকাৰী সংগঠনৰ সৈতে এটা ত্ৰিপাক্ষিক বৈঠক বহিব লাগে আৰু এই দাবীটো তুলিয়েই বিশেষভাৱে আমি আজি এই মেমৰেণ্ডামটো দিলোঁ
Birta mangkila pas karton paniklo domi thakmi kardam